Thank you for clicking on my video and welcome back to my channel English with Nusrat. I'm really happy to see you are here, and today I want to share my YouTube journey. She is my best friend and she will ask so many questions related to my YouTube journey just like interviews. Hello Kavita, how are you?
Yes, I'm doing well. What about you? How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. And how was your day so far?
Yes, it went good and very productive. And now it's going to be much productive because I'm just, interacting with you and very excited to know something about your life, your YouTube journey. So, yes, let's see. Hmm.
Okay.
So, shall I start now?
Yeah,
Because
why not?
I have lots of questions for you.
Oh my God.
So, are you excited, first of all?
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay. So are you excited or are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. I never ever nervous.
Okay, that's a good quality of yours. One of your best qualities. You never nervous. You always, so curious to tell something, and
Mm-hmm.
learn something at the same time. So far,
Okay.
I know about you. So, okay, ma'am. So my first question goes to you, like, what brings you here? Like, what motivated you to start your YouTube journey? I want to know very eagerly.
Okay, thank you, Kavita. Honestly, my journey started with a small dream. I always wanted to be a speak good English and help other who were learning English like me. And one day I thought that why not to start the YouTube channel? Maybe someone want to learn English and it would help for their a journey. And when I uploaded my first video, I was over the moon. But when I check less subscribers and views, I felt bad. But no matter, this is a part of journey.
Yes, yes, yes. So again, so impressive story that you wanted to help others and that, makes you so kind and you reach here till. So that's a wonderful journey, seriously. And my second question is that you already, just give a little answers that, like, how do you feel when you get negative comments and not proper views? So do you feel giving up, or do you really want to just continue with your own journey? How do you feel like that moment?
Yeah, in the beginning, I had a few views, and maybe this is the part of journey, and 10 and 20 views. You can imagine what kind of the feeling that time. And
Right.
then I check so many YouTubers who they are beginner, and they also started from zero. And sometime I got demotivated, but in the matter of fact, my husband always ready to help me, even my daughter also. My husband always used to tell me, please focus
Mhm.
on your work, not to fruits. And he
Oh,
motivated
wow.
me, and every day he asked me, did you upload that video or did you discuss
Wow.
with someone? If you couldn't find anyone with a practice, I'm ready to pay, you should join English with Yari. And he always
Mhm.
ready to help me.
Wow, so great. So, ma'am, in this case, like, you are so lucky and you are so blessed that you have a wonderful husband with you and your daughters who always support you, because without support, we can't reach it till this end. Hmm? And your
Yes,
intention is very pure. You want to help others, and at the same time, you are growing yourself. And what could else you want? Huh? So, God has given you everything. Huh?
yes,
Very nice. Very nice. So that means like you never felt demotivated, like yes, views in respect of views and full watching time. Very nice. But
yes,
like when sometime it happens, like whenever we are not in a good mood, we did a lots of efforts, isn't it? Sometime to creating a one single video, we took lots of like breaks and content. We need to create some kind of content and research about it, the particular topic, and editing. thumbnails, even though like when we just not get some kind of like reviews. So how do you manage, like do you see any kind of motivational story? And like your husband is with you, I know that your daughter is always with you, but
Yes,
along with this, sometimes it happens like that, we should see others, journey. Have you
yes.
ever tried? Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I watch a video. One day I was scrolling YouTube and then I found the Dehati ma'am. She belonged to
Oh.
the rural area and everyone knows about her
Mm-hmm.
journey.
Yes.
And then I
Yes.
thought that she doesn't have a facility, she doesn't have
Ah,
Wi-Fi, but she was struggling. And one day she said that in her video, if you want to watch my video or not, no matter for me, but I will upload that video every day. And this
wow.
sentence is motivated me a lot. She can do it.
Okay.
Why am I not?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, you're right. Wonderful, wonderful. Because you are surrounded by many others facilities. You have everything around yours. But yeah, maybe other one not are so much blessed. Like we have seen like the Hati ma'am journey. She was when she started her journey, maybe she was at her village. Even
Yes,
though
yes.
she struggled a lot, she doesn't have any kind of environment, didn't have any kind of environment there, even though she didn't give up. But we are so blessed, even though, like, yes, very nice questions, and I'm fully satisfied with yours, all answers. Okay. So, my next question is like, if someone wants to start their journey, and especially with this English, and want to go with this similar niche, so what kind of advice and steps you want to share, like, according your experience? What do you want
Yeah,
to tell others?
yeah. My advice is simple and honest. Just start. Don't wait for the perfect. And whatever you have, you should start with. And don't think other. You should think yourself. If I talk about myself in the beginning, I faced a many problem. I was a greenhorn at the technology, and I was scared of talking in front of the camera. But slowly and gradually, I learned. I joined one of the institute offline, and within month, I learned so many things. And no
Okay, so
matter,
that
no matter, you have a good quality of camera, you have good quality of mobile also, whatever you have, you should start with it.
okay, okay, very
And
nice,
don't
very nice.
focus it. We are here for learning. Nobody is perfect in the world. Everyone makes a
Hmm.
mistake, not only beginner, but also
Hmm.
advanced learner also.
Hmm. Right, right, right. But we human beings at the same time, like we thought that like once we achieved some kind of, levels, then we start our journey. Like how do we find out like we are beginners and we are now can start our YouTube journey and other skills as well? Like how do you believe ourselves?
Yeah, believe and confidence. Everything comes from
Yes.
practice. If you watch
Okay.
any video, only you will
Mm-hmm.
get motivation for 10 minutes. But
Mm-hmm.
when you believe in yourself, suppose that you spend more than 30 minutes for reading, for watching, for
Mm-hmm.
listening, be carefully,
Mm-hmm.
automatically your journey start and your English is started traveling. There is no need
Okay.
to anyone good comment and the bad comment.
Okay, okay. So that means we just need to see our journey, ourselves, our
Yes.
struggle. We don't need to see others like strategies, others
Yeah, and
point of
don't
view.
don't compare. Don't compare to others and don't judge to anyone
Mm-hmm.
by the book of the covers. You should judge
Mm-hmm.
yourself. You should do study
Mm-hmm.
yourself. And we need
Mm-hmm.
to brush up English every day.
Mm-hmm.
When you
But
brush up
how
your
do we
English,
need? But how do we brush up our English? How do we, like a person who wants to achieve and start their journey, then how do they like get this? Like should they need to join some kind of other institute or like self-practice through YouTubes
yeah,
and other
if you have a good budget, you can join any platform. But if you don't
platforms?
have money, you are not good
Mm-hmm.
at the financial condition, So you can go the
Mhm.
chat GPT, you can download.
Mhm.
There are so many free app like that is Fluency CV application also.
Mhm.
You can exchange your word more than 10 to 20 minutes. And even
Mhm.
grammar apps also free. If you write any
Mhm.
content and then send
Mhm.
in this app, in within
Mhm.
second, this app check your grammar.
Which app are you asking, ma'am? Which
Grammar app, English learning
grammar?
grammar. Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
okay,
And you can
okay.
practice with AI tool
Mhm.
also. If you are hesitate,
Mhm.
only 199
Mhm.
peer app.
Mhm.
And you can join this
Mhm.
app. There are this app is very good, and there are so many facility there. You can do
Mhm.
the role play. You can discuss the any topic. You can solve the
Mhm.
grammar. If you make call anyone, and after
Mhm.
that you get the feedback and where
Mhm.
where you made a mistake, and after making mistake what kind of the exercise you need, the
Mhm.
this type of the recommended AI tool, the
Okay,
recommendation
okay.
given to
Mhm.
you by
Mhm.
AI tool.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. That is something very good. We don't need to depend on, other resources. Like
Yes,
when someone is free, then I will just practice with them or with him. So it is something a very free and convenient. We can
yes.
sit and use it anytime. No matters like in the evening, at late night. Yeah. So this application is ready to help us
Yeah,
without
ready
taking
to
a
help
break.
us
It's
and set the
yes.
goal. Without goal, we can't do anything. And we are here for learning. I never think that I will get name and fame. I'm not worried about it. I have already
Yes.
everything by God grace. Only I want
Mhm.
to enhance my English. That's the reason I am here. And
Yes,
these
yes,
days, the spoken class become a scam. There are so
yeah.
many tutor available. They give classes only 500 and 1000 per month.
More
And
than this. I have seen more than this, ma'am,
yes,
actually. Yes,
and I got literally I
hmm.
got a bitter experience when I joined. That time they give a wrong advice. You are not at
Oh.
grammar. Your sentence structure is wrong. Your word order
Hmm.
also wrong. And even they
Hmm.
are making mistake, but they recommend it to their student, and
Yes.
student
Yes,
trust
yes, yes.
other. That the reason
Yes.
they stuck. They
Oh
trapped
my
by
God.
them.
Mm-hmm.
It's a
Yes,
happen
yes,
earlier.
yes.
Everyone respect. If you talk about our the past history, the students
Mhm.
give the respect. Teacher is a god.
Teachers.
Yeah, teacher is
Yeah,
a god.
yes.
But now
Mhm.
teacher's definition is totally changed. Teacher become a
Totally.
money
It's
minded.
more about
Money
making
minded.
money. It's more about, business. They are
Yes,
just there to not, I'm not just blaming like each and every institute and like coachings, but most of them like this type of. So we need to be very mindful. Yeah, everyone actually, everyone. It's not about that English journey. So far I know that every skills. If you
yes,
are
every
passionate
skill.
enough that you should at least this much intellectuals you have so that you could differentiate between the right one and the wrong one. Hmm? And
Yes.
if you are blessed that to take this from within your home, and so that is something very bonus point for you. Hmm? Right, right. Very nice. So, ma'am, now I'm curious to know, like, once you started your journey, like a normal person who has a like a initial level, like who knows little bit sentences, then how much approximately a person should invest their time in respect of learn this language?
Yeah, we know that this language is not our mother tongue. It is an international language. Try to take a step, just like a baby steps. And you know that when you start taking the baby step, it takes to time. First, you cover your the basic grammar. I know that grammar is a vast. Don't try to do the study in dwell into the grammar. If you try to study dwell into the grammar, adjective, noun, and passive voice, definitely you will get stuck so many times you confused.
Right, right.
Yeah,
Totally agree.
and
Totally
don't
agree.
try to translate Hindi to English. I faced this
Mhm.
problem when I started my journey, and people
Mhm.
raising the expectation when they came to know you are
Mhm.
learning English, you are English tutor, and they ask, "Hey,
Mhm.
how to say
Mhm.
in English?" Sometime I thought that, my God, how to say "Ah bel mujhe maar."
Oh,
I was so happy
yes,
earlier, but
yes.
ever since I started my journey, the
Hmm.
people started raising the expectation how to say in English.
Hmm.
We can't translate
Yes, yes.
each and every word in
Right, right,
English.
right, right. Absolutely agree with you. Yes, yes. There are many words like which we need to just say with the help of emotions. We can't
Yes,
translate each and every word, you know, so it's not our native. We should understand these things first of all. So don't
yes,
go with this as per you, like we should not go with these translations and we should not go with the grammar concept at the beginning point of times, like when we are at beginners. So we should not go with this. Okay, so that is very something informative and like so my question is again this like how many hours like how do a person start their journey like grammar she like not we should not touch. Okay. And then how to start this?
first, we should set your
Hmm.
goal. If you have a
Mm-hmm.
big dream, then you have to
Mm-hmm.
take big efforts. Suppose that if you
Mm-hmm.
want to become a
Mm-hmm.
YouTuber, then definitely you
Yes.
have to spend 7 to 8 hours for this language. And if you want to
Yes.
speak only the basic conversation, the 30 minutes is
Mm-hmm.
sufficient for me. Everyone,
Okay,
not only me,
okay.
for everyone.
For everyone, everyone. Yes,
Yes,
yes, yes. So yes, I also believe that listening, you know, LSWR is very famous. Like we
yes,
all
yes.
know that. So we should work upon in four pillars. Like listening is equal as important as writing. Writing is as equal important to other aspects. So we should, you
Yeah,
know,
but
give important
suppose
import.
that she
Huh.
is a typical housewife. She doesn't want to give any competitive exam. She doesn't want to prepare any competitive
Yeah,
exam. So
that
there
comes
is no
later.
need
That
to writing
no
skill.
need.
Only
Yes, yes,
speaking
yes.
and listening.
Mhm.
That's it. And
Listening.
sometimes she can suppose that she is a facing pronunciation problem. In the matter of
Hmm.
fact, she can do shadow practicing also. It would be better for
Yes,
her.
yes, yes. Definitely, definitely. Shadow practice is again a very wonderful idea. Yes, it's a very
Yes.
wonderful. Hmm. Yes. So according to you, for beginners, your advice is listening and speaking. So
Speaking.
two things
Yes.
are important. And then later pronunciations comes, and then later you advise them to shadowy practice. Huh?
Yes.
Wow, something very informative that we are getting free today. Hmm? So we are so blessed. We need not to pay, you know, huge amount of money. We should not go to like take admissions for that kind of advice. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
have you
So I.
ever observed that? Have you ever observed that whenever you visited to any tourist place, they never study, they never visit to school, they never go to the
Mhm,
school, but they are
mhm.
good at English. They don't know
Yes,
what is the grammar, but they are good at
right.
English. So many
Mhm,
times
mhm,
I connected with the tourist guide. And
mhm,
when I
mhm,
heard their presentation, literally,
mhm,
it
mhm,
astonished. Their way of
mhm.
talking is relevant to be.
Hmm. Right, right, right. Absolutely. And we should not forget that how did we learn our native? We like before going to schools, we don't know ABCD of like
Yes.
ASEAN, K, K, G. We
Yeah,
don't know. We,
some people thought
yes.
that they get the
Hmm,
environment. They live in a
hmm,
foreign country
hmm,
and they
hmm,
speak and they
hmm,
listen 24
hmm,
hours. That's the reason they are able
hmm.
to speak. But try to see
No,
who
absolutely
they
not.
are a
Yes.
perfect. They never go to school, but
Hmm.
they are good at English.
Yeah.
If you have the strong willpower,
Hmm.
if you have the positive attitude,
Yes.
definitely you can do. And the first thing is that you believe in yourself, not to others.
Yes, again, the most important fundamental that comes out that have faith on yourselves. That means believe in yourselves, and once you believe in yourselves, the whole universe conspires on you. Yeah, that is something very important. Yes, and speak as much as you can speak
Yeah,
because
because
once you speak,
practice
once
make
you open
man
your mouth,
perfect.
then you
Practice
will
make man
become
perfect.
everyone
Without
perfect.
practice, yeah, we
Everyone
can't do
perfect.
anything.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, and
Hmm.
one more thing is that I would like to add the constancy. If you do
Mm-hmm.
the procrastination, then you can't do anything.
Consistency.
Yes,
Yes.
consistency is key to
Right, right,
success.
right. Hmm.
And the
Hmm, hmm,
success
hmm, hmm.
and
Yes, yes.
failure is it is a part of this journey. When you get success in
Hmm,
this journey, so definitely you will learn. Even though if you make
hmm,
any mistake, then you should learn from that mistake.
Right. Everyone makes mistakes. Yes. We should accept the mistakes first. We should know that, yes, once we have done this mistake, no matter like what kind of mistake was it, but we should not repeat this mistake. So that is the best things to learn from our mistakes.
Yes.
Okay. So, yes, we should not feel guilty. Oh, yes, we did mistakes. We should not do this. Yes, whatever had happened. But yes, they should not be repeated.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Whatever happened,
Very
happened.
nice.
Let be by gone, and try to
Yes,
move
yes.
forward.
Very nice, very nice. Absolutely. Okay, ma'am. So we have taken a lot of, informations from your side. So I'm full. I hope your audience will get lots of things from this, sessions.
Okay.
Any questions in your mind for me?
No, I
Or
don't have
let's,
any
yes.
question. I would like to wrap up.
And
Thank
we
you,
are running out
Kavita.
of time, I
Yes.
guess.
Yeah,
Yes,
I would like
yes,
to say
yes.
that the thank you and joining this session and ask me related to so many questions, this journey. And thank you for everyone for watching my video till the end. And if you try to learn something in your life, because
Hmm.
everyone gets the bird, I don't believe the seven birds. Whatever
Hmm.
you have to start, because there
Right,
are so many people takes a birth and the date, and nobody remember for a long time. But if you
right.
see, those are a freedom fighter, they are still in your heart, they are still in your mind
Yeah,
because of their
right.
identity. The I would
Yes.
like to say, please make your identity in the
Yes,
society.
yes, 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 yes. We should.
Yeah.
We should always, present ourselves, make our yourselves. We should not copy others, isn't it? Everyone are unique, so we should, do our best. As you are doing your best, you are doing so hard work, and for you're not taking anything else from others, isn't it? So something very pure. You are very pure from inside outside. So that is really help you to improve and achieve your success as well. And wish you all the best for your journey, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
and
and it's
remember every big dream start with a small step, just like a baby
right,
step. And don't
right.
have to be a perfect to begin. You just have to begin to become a perfect. Don't wait.
Hmm.
Keep learning,
Hmm.
keep smiling, and keep growing. Thank you.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Bye bye. It's a
And see you in
lovely
the next video.
sessions and very informative at the same time. And it's my honor that I'm just, connecting with you right now. And we will connect it again. Okay. So,
Okay.
bye bye. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.